Hi, hello and welcome to Learn With Me channel. This is Jay and I'm here to teach you maths with ease and quick way using Abacus. In previous video, we saw some sums using partners. In this video also, we will see some sums using partners. So are you ready? Okay, let us start. The first sum is 9 less 5, 4. Can I add 9? First look below. Is it enough? Not enough because there is only 4 beads. Look above. Is it enough? Yes, enough. 5. We have only added 5. We need to add 4 more beads. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For adding that 4, use your thumb finger, and for adding that 5, here over here 5, use your fourth finger. Keeping the finger got 9. Now less 5. Can I less 5 from 9? Yes. Less 5. Use your fourth finger. Now add 4. Look below. Is it enough? Not enough. Now the partner concept comes. See here friends, partner of 4 is 1. 4 is the number and the 1 is the number to be reduced. So 5. Why am I adding 5? Because 4 plus 1 is 5. Now reduce 1. I said no to reduce 1. Keeping the finger got 8. Set 0 and the answer is 8. The second sum is 9 less 8, 4. Can I add 9? First look below. Is it enough? Not enough because there is only 4 beads. Add 5. We have only added 5. We need to add 4 more beads. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keeping the finger got 9. Now less 8. Can we less 8 from 9? Look below. Is it enough? Not enough. Look above. Is it enough? Enough. 5. This is 5. Use your forefinger. 6, 7, 8. Like this. Do like this. 5, like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Keeping the finger got 1. Now add 4. Can I add 4? Look below. Now the partner concept comes. See here. 4 is the number and 1 is the number to be reduced. Add 5. Why am I adding directly 5? Because 4 plus 1 is 5. Now reduce 1. Keeping the finger got 5. Set 0 and the answer is 5. The third sum is 8 less 5, 4. Can I add 8? First look below. Is it enough? Not enough because there is only 4 beads. Look above. Is it enough? Enough. Add 5. We have only added 5. We need to add 3 more beads. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Keeping the finger got 8. Now less 5. Can I less 5 from 8? Yes. Look below. Is it enough? Not enough. Less 5 because this has the value 5. Now the next number is 4. Can I add 4? Look below. Is it enough? Not enough because there is only 1 bead. Now the partner concept comes. 4 is the number and 1 is the number to be reduced. So I add 5 because 4 plus 1 is 5 and reduce 1. Keeping the finger got 7. Set 0 and the answer is 7. The fourth sum is 3, 2, 1. Can I add 2? Look below. Is it enough? Yes, enough. Use your thumb finger. 1, 2, 3. Keeping the finger got 3. Now add 2. Can I add 2? Look below. Is it enough? Not enough. Now the partner concept comes. See here. 2 is the number and 3 is the number to be reduced. So add 5 because 2 plus 3 is 5 and reduce 3. 1, 2, 3. Keeping the finger got 5. The next number is 1. Can I add 1? Look below. Is it enough? Enough. Use your thumb finger. Add 1. Keeping the finger got 6. Set 0 and the answer is 6. The last sum is 7 less 5, 3. Can I add 7? Look above and below. Is it enough? Yes, enough. Because 5, 6, 7. This has the value 5 and this has the value 2. So 5, use your forefinger. 6, 7, use your thumb finger. Now less 5. Can I less 5 from 7? Yes, this has the value 5. So use your forefinger. Less 5. Keeping the finger got 2. Now add 3. Now the partner concept comes. See here. 3 is the number and 2 is the number to be reduced. See 5 because 3 plus 2 is 5 and reduce 2. Keeping the finger got 5. Set 0 and the answer is 5. Here there are a few sums using partner concept. If you all are interested, you can do it, and if you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. I hope you understood the concept. If you like my video, press the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get my all videos. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Bye guys, see you in the next video.